today we're going to make water firework in the water. I have fork to mix it. We have oil, water, food coloring. We have to put the food coloring in the oil. It's just like playing a ball, right? Keep. Now I'm gonna mix it with the fork. Attack the color! Oh. It's hard to attack that color, right? Now I'm going to do this. Fireworks is coming. It's fireworks. There's a big food coloring up there.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Oil is not mixed with the water, but the color is mixing with the water, right, Devansh?
Yeah. Firecracker! Firecracker!
Now we can do one more experiment.
Okay.
Same one we can do in a big board.
I'm excited. Fireworks to go blue and red. Fireworks came.
Wow.
Oh, I can see a dragon shape. And it's gone now.
Oh, dragon shape?
Yeah, it's gone now.
Oh.
Oh, I can see a tobacco head. It's gone.
Wow. Hey, the jellyfish came there. Did you see it?
It's a jellyfish. If we shake, the water attack all the jellyfishes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Subscribe my channel. Cheese.